Did you try opening a post on X, but instead you keep seeing the sensitive content warning blocking the tweet? It can be pretty frustrating when you know there's content there, but you can't view it. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix the sensitive content warning on X so you can view posts normally again. First, open your web browser. This can be Safari, Google Chrome, or whichever browser you normally use. The reason we need to do this is because the official X or Twitter app does not allow us to change this setting directly. Once your browser is open, go to x.com and make sure that you're logged into your X account. After you're on the homepage, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open the side menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety, which will open a list of privacy options that you can customize. Now tap on Content you see. In the web version of X, you'll find a few additional settings that are not available in the official mobile app. To disable the sensitive content warning, first make sure that the display media that may contain sensitive content option is enabled. After that, tap on Search Settings and make sure that the Hide Sensitive Content option is turned off. The changes will be saved automatically, and that's about it. You can now restart the X app on your iPhone or Android phone, and you should be able to view posts without the sensitive content warning appearing all the time. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and check out my channel for more quick and easy tutorials.